Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 9:30 and my sister-in-law and brother-in-law should be here, or future brother-in-law should be here 2 hours or so. I was just finished cleaning up their bathroom, or I guess bath, however you want to look at it. And I'm leaving that in there. That is my husband being annoying because he knows I'm talking to the camera. I need to finish cleaning out the hallway out there. There's not much that's left, just some empty containers and then some sticker stuff. Oh, I think I'm getting sick. I am super extra flushed right now. My throat is killing me. Yeah, and that's not good because I am tired. Like, look how red I am. And I'm sweating like a pig. That's really attractive, I know. And then I just picked up my face. So I'm probably going to be chilling the rest of the night, not doing much. I did a couple orders earlier, which my mom is messaging me on Facebook Messenger. She's such a nerd. Okay, I gotta finish cleaning up because I'm shot and it's like a 2-minute vlog, not even, it's 1 minute and 30 seconds. So yeah, that might be all you get from me today because I can feel it. And I need to film a plan with me. I need to edit the vlogs that I have here. At least I took the memory card out, so I'm starting this vlog on a different one. Demi's right there. So yeah, I need to put like a sticky note on my desk that says like vlog and like other videos, so I know which one's which, so I don't have to pop in. Because right now I have 3 SD cards that house all different videos out there, and then I keep my my like available SD cards right here, and then extra amount. So yeah, I'm down to 1. Uh-oh, better start editing. Okay, I will see you guys later. Oh, hey guys, sorry, didn't realize you're so low. I need to do some editing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 20th on Wednesday. I'm feeling a little better. I don't drink tea, but I have some, it's like a raspberry pomegranate, and then I added a healthy helping of honey. And to help with my throat. I did go to the doctor, or like a doc in a box, and they said nothing, so it's just a cold. And I'm taking Sudafed and whatever like thing to help my throat. Yeah, so I need to edit some vlogs because there's a vlog that's supposed to be up today and I didn't do it. I don't even know what that was. Sounded important though. And that's Demi probably being an asshole. Okay, well I gotta go address that. I'm going to leave this over here, so if he decides to be a jerk over here, I will have it. Yeah, so my sister-in-law and brother-in-law are here. Yesterday we went out to dinner. No, we didn't go out to dinner. We went and got Peter's groomsman gift. The groom gift. And I saw what he got her. It's real nice. Demi, hopefully you didn't dent it. Nope, crisis averted. No denting. I don't know what the silver one's for. He's such a jerk. So yeah. And then today his mom is here as well. So I think his sister and I guess her husband to be are going to go to dinner with some of his friends, or their friends, and his mom, me, and Mike are gonna go out to dinner. And I am so out of breath because I don't feel good. Okay, yeah. So editing this vlog. They went to Publix and I was like, okay, perfect. Then I can come up here and edit at least a video. I need to do a nail video too. I don't think I have time to. And I don't think I have the ability to. Okay. you know, dedication to uploading. I probably don't look terrible. Well, I guess maybe I do because I have makeup on. I've been trying to really force myself to wear makeup. I don't even know when the last thing I uploaded for a vlog. And it's really hard. But right now I just have powder on. Like I literally just did powder on because I'm, good thing they're recovery free. There's a little bit going on. So it's in Miami. That's the last one that went up. So this is pretty Miami, I think, where I can, yeah, perfect. So yeah, that's all I'm doing today. Gonna hang out with his mom. There's a lot of footage here. Is the 8th a Saturday? Saturdays or Sundays are the ones that my vlogs are like really long. 8th was a Friday, okay. Well, I guess Friday I was busy. So I'll do the 4th through the 7th. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Hopefully there was one editing one in there because I have an edit vlog to do my screen up there, and I'm hoping that's with this group as well. So, okay, man, looking at this stuff, I'm like, I look terrible. And like, I look halfway decent, which maybe in the vlogs from now on, you'll see me looking halfway decent. Who knows? Let's not get ahead of ourselves though, because I do a lot of cleaning. Yeah. Since we have guest staying, Demi's eating, so that's what you heard, so yeah. Okay, and I'm loving the new stuff that I'm doing for the shop, or myself, I should say, not necessarily the shop, so. I don't have good tea for you guys, although this is pretty decent tea, so yeah. All right, let me do this while they're gone, and then, yeah. Okay, thank you guys. I will see you later or tomorrow, some sort of, not right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Friday. Thankfully I have it off because I'm still under the weather, but actually a decent amount. I know it probably sounds stupid to vlog right now, but I'm just talking to you guys. I'm not doing anything like super exciting. I did edit, oh my god, I sound so weird. I did edit some nail videos yesterday while people were out, not in my house. I'm supposed to go to lunch, and I have to cut some names for champagne flutes for her bridesmaids. Supposed to be at lunch in 2 hours, so I'll be all right. We'll see. I'm gonna go anyway. I probably shouldn't. I should probably stay home and just go to the rehearsal dinner tonight, but I don't know. I know I should, but I just don't want to be left out, you know, like that's so sad. Or what I should have done is not done stuff this weekend or this week because I wasn't feeling well. But it's also drainage now, so like, although I'm drinking, we only have Coke minis left, so I'm drinking one to make myself a human again. But I also, like, should I do that? Like, should I go? Because then all the bridesmaids are gonna be there, like, and I don't necessarily feel good, so it's like, maybe I shouldn't. So I don't know. she doesn't need the stuff until tomorrow, so I can bring it with me to the rehearsal dinner and give it to her, and then she can just take it back and I can come back to bed. We probably shouldn't go to lunch, and that's really sad. So yeah, I got to cut her stuff, so I'm gonna probably do that and weed stickers and all that good stuff. Yeah, that's it.
Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so bright. We found a way into the grace again. Let's not pretend our hearts have life again. Just stay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is Saturday, the 23rd. I feel it, I'm gonna sneeze. Hold it together. It's a wedding day, so my sister-in-law is finally getting married and I'm so excited for her. It is a 6 o'clock wedding, so we are going to the hotel where everybody's getting ready. I think we're leaving here about 3:30, and I think it's like a 20-30 minute car ride. We're just gonna Uber there because like the W in Midtown costs you, again, excuse me, I'm sick, $40 to valet your car. So the rooms weren't that expensive. They were like $186 a night, but the valet is $40. Excuse me, sorry. I'm going to be getting ready and I figured you want to come along with me, but my husband will be up here probably as soon as like I actually get going. Okay, we're together now. And so I need to take this and turn it into something. I have about an hour to get ready. And I'm gonna put a weave in because let me tell you, I feel terrible. But I gotta be presentable. You guys are probably thinking I'm crazy for vlogging when I'm sick, but I gotta get ready anyway, so. Like I said, my husband's gonna come up and I guarantee like in like 10 minutes because I just started getting ready and vlogging, so that's what's gonna happen. So I may be presentable when I get back. I also may be just ready and not presentable as well, so there's that. Okay, I'm gonna start, so I will start. All right, so I pulled out all of my weave. I think I did, but I feel like I had my normal part of my weave not in there. Yeah, I didn't. I always wear these two pieces because why not? It's just easy, but I'm gonna put more in because I just feel like shit, so I want to make myself look better. So let's get to this, okay? Okay, so I'm trying to decide if I want to do half up. Obviously this will not stay like this. I would actually do it, but not that you guys can tell me. And I have to like get my hair in order. All right, I gave my nose one last blow. Now I'm gonna start putting some makeup on. I have nothing on this, but I gotta do it. I gotta do it. And I think my husband's coming, so you don't get to see any of this. Sorry. All right, there's an aftermath in my bathroom. I have a crisis. I didn't think this went through. Okay. Warning. You can see the orange from my sticky boobs. I'm gonna try to cut a tank top and see if I can like hide it. We'll see. I don't know how well it's gonna work. All right, I think crisis averted. Like you can't see it. Well, there might be a little bit back there, but I don't even care. Thank God. Oh, see, you can kind of see it right there, which I'd much rather have that than that. All right, my aftermath is outrageous, so bear with me. All right, oh yeah. I don't even know where I am. Okay, so again, I'm not perfect, it's fine. I took off my Spanx, which are down there, because I'm trying to hide the pooch here, but it was creating more of a bulge up here. So I think as long as I just flick it in a little bit. So this is the look. It gives a little sex appeal. Kind of just like whatever. And they finally fell out. So it's just relaxed. And then just a long dress. So yeah, this is my outfit. Again, this is probably like the worst angle since it's like showing down, but it's fine. So, right? Da-da.